We know that all pumps fail. It's not a matter of if, but when. The results can be inches of water building up in your basement in a matter of minutes, creating weeks of cleanup and costly repairs. That's why our experts researched and reviewed the 4 top-rated sump pump battery backups on the market. We'll explain the differences between each model to find you the best option to keep your basement dry. As always, we'll include additional information and our exclusive direct discount prices in the description box below. Let's dive in. Starting with the best overall is the Basement Defender Battery Backup Pump System. The Basement Defender is the only system that will test your pumps every day and alert you to any problems before an emergency situation. Using your home's Wi-Fi, the Basement Defender sends a signal to test your primary and backup pumps every day at 8 a.m. It'll detect any issues with the pumps, batteries, and charging units, and will provide alerts throughout the app, text, or email messages. In addition to testing the pumps, it also monitors environmental conditions in your basement, like the temperature and humidity, to alert you of any significant changes, which can serve as an early warning for big problems. And because the Basement Defender is recording all pump activity, your maintenance technician will be able to determine exactly how often and how long your pumps have run over any length of time for easy troubleshooting in case of issues. Importantly, the battery backup pump system includes a 3-amp battery supercharger that will charge your battery at half the time it takes using a regular 1.5-amp charger. Also included is a DC pump to make sure your sump pump can operate continuously for up to 8 hours without any interruption, even if there's a power outage. The pros are it's the only system that tests pumps and basement conditions every day. It has smart technology to monitor system on mobile app. It exercises both primary and secondary pumps every day for 2 seconds. And it includes everything needed for easy installation. It's also made in the USA with premium components. The cons are that it's slightly more expensive than some alternatives, and it may require professional installation if not DIY inclined. At number 2 is the runner-up, the Basement Watchdog Special Connect Battery Backup Sump Pump System. Knowing the status of your sump pump is critical, whether you're at home or away. Basement Watchdog has been protecting homes for over 30 years, using the most premium components to create dependable, user-friendly pumps you can count on. The Special Connect system provides 24-hour-a-day monitoring of your pump and battery conditions to ensure your sump pump is ready to protect in case of emergencies. It links to the Basement Watchdog Wi-Fi module or a home security system for real-time alerts via text, email, or through the mobile app. The digital control panel detects irregularities, sounds an alarm, and provides visual diagnostics to pinpoint any problems. Should the power go out or the main sump pump fail, the battery backup will automatically take over to keep your basement dry. The Basement Watchdog Special Connect Battery Backup Sump Pump comes equipped with a multi-stage 1.6-amp charger to keep the battery fully charged and ready to go at all times. As an added line of defense, the backup system includes a dual float switch for twice the protection, and the included pump is capable of pumping 2,500 gallons per hour at 0 feet of lift to handle even the worst water conditions with ease. The pros are its 24/7 monitoring of power, battery, and pump conditions. The notifications are sent via smart mobile app and text message. The automatic 1.6-amp charger that keeps the battery fully charged. The compact design is perfect for tight spaces, and it pumps up to 2,500 gallons per hour. The cons are that it includes a 1.6-amp charger as opposed to some alternatives with a 3-amp. Next, at number 3 is the best all-in-one option, the Wayne WSS30V Sump Pump with 12-volt battery backup. If you're looking for a complete, pre-assembled system that gives you the best value for money, the Wayne Sump Pump with battery backup is definitely a smart choice. Designed to keep your basement safe and dry from heavy water flow, even without any power, this device is capable of pumping out up to 5,100 GPH and getting rid of up to 10,000 gallons of water on just a single battery backup charge. Known for quality and reliability, the Wayne system comes with a vertical float switch that is tested 1 million times to ensure unsurpassed protection. The Wayne sump pump also comes pre-assembled, so it's ready to drop into your large sump basin and easy to install within just 15 minutes without the need to drill a weep hole. What really makes this device a smart device for your home is that when the power goes off, you immediately get an alert, and it can work efficiently with AC power for the main pump and a 12-volt battery for the backup pump to last over 10 hours without electricity. The pros are that it's assembled in the USA with a 3-year warranty, a combination unit with both primary and backup pumps, an audible alert to notify if the power goes out, and it's pre-assembled for easy installation. The cons are that it does not include smart notification capabilities, mobile app, or email. At number 4 is the best budget option, the Basement Watchdog BWE Emergency Battery Operated Backup Sump Pump. Are you working with a tight budget, but you still want the best battery backup sump pump for your home? The Basement Watchdog Emergency Battery Operated Backup Sump Pump does the job without breaking your bank. At just over $100, you get most of the key features that make the Basement Watchdog brand so popular, including the capacity to pump 2,000 gallons per hour to empty the sump pit rapidly under extreme conditions, a control panel that lights up with a warning if there's any issues with the pump, and it's compact enough to fit in even the smallest sump pits. The Basement Watchdog Emergency Battery Operated System is designed for 24/7 monitoring of the sump pump's power and alerts you whenever there is a need to recharge or replace the battery. It also sounds an alert if you need to check the main pump for failure, or if there are problems with the circuit breaker or electrical connections that caused an interruption with the AC power. This device can also run intermittently for a couple of days on a single charge, and it can automatically switch to battery power if the AC power fails, so you don't have to do it yourself or worry about it if you're not home. The pros are that it's really budget-friendly with a lot of great functionality. It pumps up to 2,000 GPH at 0 feet of lift. It alerts you to any power outages, faults, or maintenance requirements, and it's perfect for smaller sump pump applications. The cons are that it's not as efficient as other more expensive counterparts. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.